Welcome back, guys. It's Travis, your Chicago and suburban area realtor. Join me this Saturday, May 30th, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 6100 L Morro Lane in Oak Forest, Illinois. Welcome home to this charming 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath raised ranch filled with space and possibilities. Situated on a spacious corner lot, this home is filled with features that make everyday living easy and entertaining a pleasure, from the kitchen and separate formal dining room to the generous sized bedrooms, enclosed porch, full finished basement, and attached 2.5-car garage. Downstairs, the inviting lower level gives you even more room to spread out with a comfortable family room, a full bath, a cozy fireplace, and a private 4th bedroom that works beautifully for guests, related living, or home office. Conveniently located near restaurants, schools, shopping centers, parks, and more, this home is full of potential and ready for your personal touch. Schedule your showing today. It's tomorrow, though, the open house. So come, let's celebrate what we're going to see, because it may be your next home. I'm Travis, your Chicago Realtor.